Welcome back to Dreams Car Studio, the place where speed, innovation, and automotive dreams come alive. If you love hypercars, handcrafted engineering, and cars that feel more like art than machines, you are in the right place today. We are exploring one of the most beautiful and emotional hypercars ever created, the Pagani Huayra. Before we begin, support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to Dreams Car Studio, and turning on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Your support helps us continue bringing you the world's most incredible dream cars. Now, let's begin. The Pagani Huayra is not just a car, it is a masterpiece. It is a machine created with passion, emotion, and obsession. Pagani is not a brand that follows trends. Pagani creates dreams on wheels. The Huayra was built to replace the legendary Pagani Zonda, and replacing such an icon was not easy. Horacio Pagani knew this car had be special. It had to be better in every possible way, not just faster, but more beautiful, more emotional, and more advanced. The name Huayra comes from Huayra Tata, the ancient god of wind, and wind is exactly what defines this car. From the very first glance, the Pagani Huayra looks alive. The design feels organic, almost like a living creature made of metal and carbon fiber. Every curve, every line, every surface is shaped by air. Nothing is random. Everything has a purpose. The front of the Huayra is low, wide, and elegant. The headlights are one of the most recognizable features, 4 round lights on each side, giving the car a face full of personality. The hood flows smoothly into the windshield. Air channels guide airflow over and around the car from the side. The Huayra looks dramatic and sculpted. The body feels tight and muscular, yet elegant and refined. The side mirrors are not normal mirrors. They are aerodynamic wings designed to manage airflow and reduce drag. The doors open upwards in a beautiful butterfly motion, making every entry and exit feel like a special moment. At the rear, the Pagani Huayra looks absolutely breathtaking. The center-mounted quad exhaust is a signature Pagani design. Exhaust pipes look like jewelry, polished and perfectly shaped. Above them sits active aerodynamic flaps. These flaps move independently, adjusting automatically to control downforce and stability. This is one of the most advanced aerodynamic systems ever used on a road car. The Huayra does not just cut through the air, it dances with it. Now let's step inside the Pagani Huayra. The interior is where the Huayra becomes something truly magical. This is not a typical hypercar interior. It is more like the cockpit of a luxury aircraft mixed with a mechanical watch. Every switch, dial, and button is made from solid metal, machined with extreme precision. There is no plastic here. Everything feels heavy, solid, and premium. The steering wheel is simple and elegant, focused entirely on the driving experience. The center console looks like a piece of art, exposed mechanical components, polished metal, and intricate details. Even the air vents are beautiful, circular turbine-inspired designs that feel timeless. The seats are supportive and comfortable, wrapped in high-quality leather and carbon fiber. Despite being a hypercar, the Huayra interior feels welcoming. It feels warm. It feels human. This is a car built by people who truly care about how a driver feels. Now let's talk about the heart of the Pagani Huayra. Under the rear hood sits a hand-built engine supplied by Mercedes-AMG. This is a 6-liter twin-turbo V12 engine built exclusively for Pagani. It delivers massive power and torque, but more importantly, it delivers emotion. The sound of the Huayra is deep, powerful, and dramatic. Turbochargers whistle, the engine roars, and the exhaust screams under full acceleration. Power delivery is smooth yet explosive. When you press the throttle, the car surges forward with authority. Acceleration is brutal. The Huayra reaches extreme speeds effortlessly, but unlike many hypercars, it never feels scary. It feels controlled, balanced, and confident. The Huayra uses a rear-wheel drive layout. This makes it more engaging, and pure power is managed carefully through advanced electronics, allowing the driver to enjoy the performance safely. The transmission is a single-clutch automated manual chosen for its lightweight design. While it may not be as smooth as a dual-clutch, it delivers a more raw and mechanical feel. Every gear change feels dramatic. You feel the power, you feel the machine. This is not a car that isolates the driver, it connects the driver to the road. The chassis of the Huayra is made from advanced carbon titanium materials, extremely strong and incredibly light. This gives the car exceptional rigidity and safety while keeping weight as low as possible. Suspension is fully adaptive. It adjusts to driving conditions in real time. In comfort mode, the Huayra is surprisingly usable. It can handle normal roads with ease. In sport mode, the car transforms sharper, more responsive, more aggressive. Steering is precise and full of feedback. You always know what the front wheels are doing at high speeds. The Huayra feels planted and stable. Aerodynamics and active flaps constantly work to keep the car balanced. This makes the Huayra not just fast in a straight line, but also incredibly capable through corners. One of the most impressive aspects of the Pagani Huayra is how it makes the driver feel. This is not a car about numbers, it is about emotion. Every drive feels special, every moment feels memorable. You do not just drive a Huayra, you experience it. Technology in the Huayra is advanced, but never overwhelming. Systems work quietly in the background. Traction control, stability control, and aerodynamic systems are finely tuned. They enhance the driving experience rather than limit it. Pagani focused on creating harmony between man and machine. Another important aspect of the Huayra is exclusivity. This is one of the rarest hypercars in the world. Production numbers are extremely limited. Each car is built by hand in Italy. Owners can customize every detail: paint colors, interior materials, stitching, metal finishes. No two Huayras are exactly the same. This makes each car a personal expression, a rolling piece of art. Because of this rarity and craftsmanship, the Huayra has become highly collectible. Values continue to rise and demand remains incredibly strong. But more than money, the Huayra represents something deeper. It represents passion. It represents craftsmanship. It represents love for the automobile. In a world moving toward automation and electrification, the Huayra feels like a celebration of mechanical beauty. It reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. The Huayra is not about chasing records. It is about creating emotion. It is about feeling the engine behind you, hearing the exhaust, seeing the craftsmanship around you. It is about connection. Pagani does not build cars quickly, they build them carefully. Every Huayra takes countless hours of hand assembly. Attention to detail is obsessive. This level of dedication is rare in modern automotive. Manufacturing the Huayra proves that art and engineering can exist together. It proves that technology does not have to remove emotion, it can enhance it. Owning a Pagani Huayra is not just owning a hypercar, it is owning a philosophy. It is owning a vision created by Horacio Pagani. A vision where beauty matters, where details matter, where emotion matters. The Huayra is a reminder that cars can still be magical. In a world of digital screens and silent motors, the Huayra stands proudly as a symbol of passion. It is loud, it is dramatic, it is beautiful, and that is exactly what makes it special. The Pagani Huayra is not perfect, but it is unforgettable, and that is far more important. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think about the Pagani Huayra? Do you see it as a piece of art or as the ultimate driving machine? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching Dreams Car Studio. Drive safe and keep dreaming.